Okay, this video is just going to talk about what increasing and decreasing mean in terms of a function. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. The math gets a little bit confusing as you read through this, but these visuals may help. So what it says is if x2 is bigger than x1, which means we're to the right, we're an x-coordinate to the right of where we were before. x2 is bigger than x1. If f of x2 is bigger than f of x1, then the graph is going up. Right? So x2 is bigger than x1. F of x2, or the y value at x2, is bigger than the y value at x1, then that means we must be going up, and that is increasing. Same premise for decreasing. If x2 is greater than x1, so x2, we're to the right of where we were before. This time it's, well, if f of x2 is less than f of x1, that means the graph must be decreasing between x1 and x2 for that to happen. Okay, so basically you're looking at when is the graph going up and when is the graph going down. Now, whenever you tell me an interval in which that thing is going up or going down, all you're telling me is from what x-coordinate to what x-coordinate is the thing going up or down. So you kind of ignore what the y-coordinates are. You just want to make sure that the graph is going up or going down over that interval. So here's an example of that, where we're going to list some intervals of increase and decrease. First one, we're going to look at when is the graph increasing. So I want to know when is the graph going up. So I'm going to kind of highlight those areas. So remember, we're always reading from left to right. So when is the graph going up? Well, it's going up right away until it gets to there. And then it would start going down. And then it would start going up again here as it goes off to the right. It's decreasing. It's going down during that part in the middle. Okay, so when is it increasing? It's increasing from negative infinity, because it's going to continue to, as long as I go to the left, it's going to be going up that whole time from left to right. From negative infinity until we get to an x-coordinate of -4, the graph is going up. Again, I'm not concerned about what this y value is up here. I just want to know from what x to what x. And then it would continue to increase from an x-coordinate of 3, right? That's where we're down here at the bottom. From a y-coordinate of 3, from x-coordinate of 3 off to infinity, it will continue to go up. And then when is it decreasing? Well, it's decreasing in between there, right? It's decreasing from an x-coordinate of -4 to an x-coordinate of +3. Over that interval, your graph is going down. So it decreases from -4 to 3. Okay? Make sure you know how to write those intervals.